In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift Bitcoin on Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can receive paychecks, do your taxes. There's a card where you can spend your balance and peer-to-peer payments. One thing that I don't talk about much is the gifting feature. So today I'm going to show you how you could gift someone Bitcoin. And when you do this, it's going to take the money from your cash balance here. So the first thing that you want to do is know the person's cash tag that you want to gift the Bitcoin to. So they can find their cash tag by tapping the icon in the top right corner. You can see that mine is 100 Charizards. It's right there under my name. And a cash tag is just going to be their username following that money sign. So now to send a gift, we want to tap on the search icon on the bottom of the screen. And then you're going to see a few options. Under send gift, you want to tap on Bitcoin. Now you can type the amount that you want to gift. I'm just going to tap $5 for this example. Tap next. And you can type in the person's cash tag at the top of the screen, or if they're already like here in your contacts, you could tap on them. You can add a note if you would like, and tap next at the top of the screen, and this will give you your order details. So I would be sending this person $5 worth of Bitcoin funded from my cash balance, the current price per Bitcoin, and the estimated amount that they would receive. So essentially, this is going to purchase Bitcoin from your cash balance and send it over to this other user. If I wanted to do this, I would just tap the send button. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.